First off, I'm sure all you guys want to hear this is the price. So the price of the shaver is only $2. You could buy the 5-star WAHL shavers and it will last you much longer. But I mean, if you're not in that financial position, it's your best bet. It does the same job. But let me not spoil you. Let's get further into the shaver. YouTube family, what's good? It's your boy Rico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. So guys, in today's video we have something different lined up. I'm sure you saw in the title. Today we are doing a shaver review. Today we will be reviewing this WAHL Travel Shaver right here. As you guys can see, guys, let's not waste any time. Let's jump straight into unboxing this bad boy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's go. Oh, but before we get to that, if you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, smash the notification bell so that you are notified every time that we do drop a video. Leave a like, and most importantly, comment, interact with me, let me know what you think about the content. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Let's go ahead and let's unbox the shaver. So as you can see right here, it comes in a cardboard box and it comes in a really cool metal casing. This casing is really cool. If you want to keep it in your cupboard, you want to keep it like while traveling, you can keep it in this case. I think it's a really cool casing. I put some lotion on before I started the video, and that's why the box has fingerprints on it. And as you can see right here, it comes with a whole lot of pamphlets, how to use the shaver, etc, etc. Right here, as you can see, it comes with a little bag. I think that's a travel bag. You can keep it in that bag. There's a little brush. So that brush is, I'm sure you guys already know, you use that brush to clean the blades. There's your charging cable. Here's the shaver itself. As you can see, it's a plastic shaver. Has a really good weight to it, and as you can see, it's easy to use. I just detached the top cover. As you can see, it comes with extra foil and it comes with the extra blade, so it's definitely value for money. That's why I say I definitely think this is a go-to product. So guys, now that we're done unboxing the shaver, let's jump straight into it. Let's talk about some pros, let's talk about the cons. Guys, this is just my personal opinion on this specific shaver. This is just my personal opinion on this specific shaver. So as you guys can see, the shaver right here, it's a really small shaver. I have really small hands, so it might look a bit sizey, but it's quite small. I won't lie, when you do pop this cap off, fits in the hand perfectly. So when you are going ahead and using it on your client, I personally feel like it works. It works like a dream, and I mean, it's a really small shaver and it gets the work done. It really gets the job done, and it does a great job at cleaning up any area you need to clean up. So whether it be your client's beard, or whether it be the back of your client's neck to the side of his tapers, this shaver cleans amazing. And it's also, as you can see, it's obviously plastic, yes, but it really does feel quite solid. I won't lie to you guys. It is a plastic shaver, but it does feel quite solid. And I mean, for the price, that's only what you could expect. You can't expect anything better. And we'll jump into the price a bit later on. But I mean, for the price, getting a plastic shaver, it's definitely worth it. And as you can see, if you pop this off over here you have like the blades. You can clean the spray some alcohol or disinfectant on there, clean the blades up, and then right in over there is where you put the oil. So if you need to oil your shaver, you can just go ahead and oil it over there. So easy to use. Another thing I really love about the shaver is it's not loud. Some shavers are super loud. Okay, it has quite a noise to it, I won't lie, but it's not insanely loud. So off the bat, that's just a few good things I can say about the shaver. So now that we had a few things to say about our WAHL Travel Shaver, I definitely want to give you guys my personal cons, and then I have a list of pros as well. So I'm going to give you a list of some pros and cons. Let's start off with the bad things about the shaver. There's only a few bad things. Well, me personally, I feel like there's only a few things that could be made better about it. So let's jump straight into it. There's no replacement parts. I checked online, and there's a specific place whereby I get a few of my replacement parts from. It's called headquarters. They also don't have replacement parts for the specific shaver. So that's also a bit of a downer, is the replacement part. So if anything does break on it or anything wears off, you're definitely gonna have to buy a brand new shaver. That's definitely a downside to it. Another thing that I really don't like about the shaver is it doesn't work while it's charging. So if the shaver is about to die, it's pretty much game over. You have to put the shaver down, let it charge, because it doesn't work at all while it's on charge. And the charging cable of the shaver is a bit short, so that's a bit of a bummer as well. Another thing is, I don't know if I can call this a con, or if this is just me being unnecessary, but the hair needs to be at stubble length in order for you to shave, or in order for the shaver to cut anything off. Another thing that is a bit annoying about the shaver is I previously had a set, and after a while, the silver from this cover over here, it starts like chopping off, and then you can see that this plastic over here, this is actually plastic. So I think it's just sprayed like with a silver coating or whatever the case is. So when this starts chopping off, then you start seeing the actual plastic white casing. So I like to keep my tools neat. I like everything looking nice and clean, original. And when things start losing color or start chopping, it really gets to me. So me personally, I don't like that. So as you guys can see, there are only a few cons on this specific shaver. So let's go and let's jump into the pros. There's quite a list of pros, so let's not waste any time. Let's jump straight into it. So guys, now we are at the pros. Let's talk about all the pros. First off, I'm sure all you guys want to hear this, is the price. So the price of the shaver is only 240 rand. Yes guys, I said 240 rand. I mean, you could put together 3,000 rand and buy. I could be wrong.
I realized that this is an accident.
I could be wrong. Could be a bit more. Could be a bit less. I'm not 100% sure. You could buy the 5-star WAHL foil shavers, and it will last you much longer. But I mean, if you're not in that financial position, it's your best bet. Does the same job. But let me not spoil it. Let's get further into the shaver. But all I can say is, for the price and for what you're getting, it's definitely value for your money. Next off, another pro is it's quite lightweight. So if you're traveling, you can just pop it in your bag. If you need to, you can really put it in a small travel bag. For the guys that aren't barbers, you can put it in a travel bag, so when you reach your next destination, you can just go ahead, shave yourself up, clean yourself up nicely. Doesn't take a lot of space at all. It's really, as you can see, it's actually quite tiny. So yeah, lightweight, it's quite small, compact, fits in the hand well, fits in luggage well as well, I mean in your travel bag. The battery is quite long lasting. When I had my previous one, if I charged it full, it would probably last me about 2 to 3 days. And that's also because not a lot of clients use this specific shaver, because a lot of clients' skin reacts. So some clients get rashes, some clients get bumps. So it's always good to just make sure your client actually wants you to use the shaver. Don't just go ahead and use it on your own. Just make sure you get the client's permission to do so. So definitely, long-lasting battery. That's definitely one of the main. Like, this is an amazing value for money item right here. Another pro on this shaver is it cleans very close to the skin. Sometimes it even cleans way better than a blade, much smoother than a blade. Some clients that have really thick hair, I prefer using the shaver on them, because sometimes shaving with the blade irritates the skin and you can't get a really close shave. Whereas when you use a foil shaver like this, it definitely gets your client shaved very close to the skin, gets their skin really smooth. And like I said previously, guys, the noise, it's not too noisy. It has a bit of a buzz to it, but I won't lie, it's not as aggressive as you would expect a little shaver like this to be. So it's not too bad. Another pro is it's really easy to clean. As you know, if you're going to be dealing with different clients, using your equipment on different clients, it's always good to make sure that you keep it clean. So as you can see, all you'll do is, let me just put this down. So all you'll do is you pop this off. You can spray a bit of spirits, some clipper. You can spray some spirits, some clipper cleaner, some disinfectant. Then once you're done cleaning it up, then just put a bit of oil in there. And as you can see, this foil right here, the foil there, the foil just pops out. So you just put your finger in here, loosen it a bit, and then you can just press the foil out. And you can spray that down as well, clean it up. And yeah, very easy to clean. And like I said, really small, really compact. It's really good for traveling. So guys, definitely, this is definitely something I suggest if you're looking for something light, affordable, and quality. It's definitely quality. So guys, now that we're coming to the end of this video, let me just leave you guys, well, I forgot to add this in earlier, is where to find these shavers. So you can either find it at Clicks or Chem, and like I said, it's only 240 Rand. So definitely affordable, and you won't regret this purchase. Like I say in all my videos, guys, definitely if you enjoy the content, leave a like. Most importantly, leave a comment and interact with me. If you are new to the channel, most definitely hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, smash the notification bell so that you are notified every time that we do drop a video. Guys, it is your boy Enrico the Barber. Until the next video.